Say hi. This is Lindsay and Karen. Okay, we're at week 9 or something. The house is painted. A lot of the finished work is going on. And yeah, this house is very close to being done. The yard is finished grade. They're actually putting in sprinklers as we speak. And it's pretty exciting. So we have all the molding going in. Tiles in, tiles grouted, the beadboard's in. And here we have kitchen cabinets. Waiting for the granite to go on, but all the cabinets are on. Do a wide shot of this in a second. There's where the fridge is going to go. We have fireplace with a built-in cabinetry above it. And an overview of the kitchen. So, let's go into the in-law suite. It's kind of loud. They're doing a lot of work right now. It's looking really good. All the doors are on too, obviously. There's the cabinetry for the in-law suite bathroom. It's pretty dark in there, and I know from previous experience that this will not come up on the video, so I'm not even going to bother. Let's go upstairs. It's really loud. We've got some work going on, so I might just stop talking while I shoot this. Cabinets, of course, the shower. And the bar, which will be about 18 inches shorter. Built-in cabinets. All the shelves for the linen closet are in. Just the paint, which will be starting on Monday. Got the final trim in the coffered ceiling, which looks awesome. Putting in the cabinets here in the master bedroom. And in the bathroom we have a tiled floor, a tiled shower with a couple built-in shelves, a counter, waiting for some vanity, waiting for some sinks, and a bunch of shelves in the closet. So that's week 8. Week 9, not really sure where we're at. In a nutshell, do a little view of the backyard, and that will be about it for now.